Meet Bento. We've developed a whole line of over-the-counter supplements to support you in all stages of the reproductive life, and that includes perimenopause and menopause. I'm Susie. After years of working in the clinical setting as a women's health nurse, I noticed that there are so many symptoms that women deal with on a daily basis that aren't being solved through traditional Western medicine. And that's when I decided to start Bento. Our line of over-the-counter products targets those pesky, annoying symptoms like hot flashes so that you can feel better and live a better life. Bento traditionally operates as a subscription-based service where we personalize a suite of supplements based off of your health needs. With that in mind, we wanted to be able to reach women everywhere, and maybe you didn't want to sign up for a subscription. So we've developed our Women's Health Menopause Starter Kit. This contains a whole month supply of individualized daily packets of supplements that are going to help you navigate the perimenopause and menopause symptoms. Your daily packet is going to come with your Bento Women's Complete Multivitamin. This contains all the essentials you need as you navigate this really tricky physiological shift into perimenopause and menopause. It contains vitamin D3 to support immune health, contains calcium as tricalcium phosphate, the less constipating form of calcium, to support your bone health. It contains magnesium to help with the hormonal fluctuations and stress. It contains vitamin B12 as methylcobalamin to help with energy. And it contains zinc, again, to help with your immune system. This vitamin also contains a proprietary herbal blend to support those annoying hot flashes that you're going to get as you go through this shift. It contains DIM, black cohosh, cacao seed powder, and ashwagandha. All of these are essential when navigating through menopause and will help you relieve or diminish that symptom of hot flashes. As we age, we want to be cognizant of our brain health and memory. A critical nutrient that all women need as we navigate menopause and even after menopause is a fish oil or a DHA. We use an Algae DHA at Bento because it doesn't have any of that frustrating aftertaste that you might get with a traditional fish oil. Our algae is sourced from seaweed in Canada. DHA is an omega-3 fat, and it's critical for our brain development and vision as we age. The last part of your daily Bento packet is the Bento Symbiotic. This is critical during menopause as you navigate hormonal shifts. Our gut produces over 90% of the serotonin in our body. So we want to support our gut health, so we're supporting our mental health, our metabolism, and even our vaginal health as we're navigating this change. The Bento Symbiotic contains 12 different strains of potent bacteria, probiotic bacteria, and it contains prebiotic fiber. This is the food that probiotics need to live off of. These strains are essential for supporting your mood and hormonal shifts as we're going through menopause. And the two strains that are going to support your vaginal health are the Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Lactobacillus reuteri. Working as a nurse, I used to prescribe supplements all the time, but I noticed that a lot of them were full of things that we don't need, or they were missing key ingredients, especially when women are navigating menopause. And that's one of the big reasons why we launched Bento. We've developed a whole line of safe and effective over-the-counter products, and it all starts with how we source our raw material. Our raw material is sourced from around the world, but all of the products are manufactured here in the United States. We use an FDA-approved lab, and it's Good Manufacturing Practices certified, or GMP. We do heavy metal testing for things like lead on all of the incoming material, And then we do finished good testing to make sure that all of the supplement ingredients listed on the back of your Bento packet are exactly what you are ingesting every day. Our vitamins are gluten-free, preservative and filler-free, and non-GMO. They're free of the most common allergens, including milk, egg, soy, wheat, tree nuts, peanuts, shellfish, and other fish allergens. For every Bento kit sold, we give back to the Maternity Care Coalition of Philadelphia. It's right here in our own backyard, and we're so grateful to be able to give back because we know that women are the backbones of communities, and as mothers, we are upbringing our children and taking care of our families. Thank you for helping us give back. So when it comes to treating those annoying symptoms that you're dealing with every day, we want you to really feel your best and live your best life because that's what you deserve. So thank you for choosing Bento because your health matters.